Hey there guys, it's me again, your favorite realtor slash handyman. Anyway, so does your water heater sound like World War II after you use it for a little bit? It starts popping and clicking and you hear thumps. A lot of times that could be sediment that's built up at the bottom. Water boils, pops, hits the side of the tank, makes that loud ass noise. So it gets really annoying. You think, hey man, I'm gonna have to get a new water heater. Maybe do, maybe don't. I'm gonna try to fix it to where I don't, and we'll walk you through it. Here, let me show you. All right, guys. So here's what I'm working with. I'm working with two hot water heaters. We happen to be in my attic, which does concern me a little bit. Hopefully, nothing bad happens, but we'll see. Now, I did drain. I have in the past drained through there, drained the sediment out, but it doesn't get it fully out, and I think a lot of that's caked on. So I'm gonna use this new tool that I found on Amazon, and we'll see if it's worth a damn. We'll try it on both, but this is the one that pops the most. Of course, right now it doesn't want to do it because I'm recording. So, but yeah, let me go downstairs and show you what you'll need for this project. So I'm gonna go through both of them, and we'll see what comes out. Alright guys, so here are the tools I'm using today. This turbo tank cleaner that I got on Amazon, especially screws into that the spigot that's there that drains the water out. This goes in there and then you turn it with a drill, and that's supposed to break up all the sediment. Now don't give me crap about this Ryobi drill. It has seen better days. And I use it for all the crack work. I don't think this thing has been inside in over a year. I think I just leave it out back. So it's a little rusty, a little beat up. It'll work fine. You'll also need a screwdriver. I like to use a headlamp. Set of pliers to take out the original spigot that's there. And some towels. Very important to me is a set of gloves. Some guys call them bitch mittens, but I need them because they protect your hands. If you had your hands cut up quite a few times, trust me, I use them for pretty much everything. And then you'll need a water hose to drain out the water initially, and as you're going through as you're putting the turbo cleaner through there. I'm just gonna feed this thing, so I'll feed it outside. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to do this whole project in crappy clothes, some shorts, and to top it off, some Crocs. It's hopefully not that difficult where I actually have to get fully dressed, but we'll see. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can hear it right now. Since I'm doing this, it doesn't want to make that much noise, but usually this whole thing sounds like the movie 1917. Just popping and making all kinds of noise, scaring people. I don't know if it's going that far, but it's pretty loud. Anyway, let me walk y'all through. I gotta drain these first. I got my water hose plumbed down out to the outside, and we'll see where we go from there. Let me get the setup. Alright guys, so here I have it, my water hose hooked up. My water supply is off. Let's open it up, see what we drain this tank out. Maybe. I had the right screwdriver, maybe. So that's going there. Don't forget to open up your relief here. And I'll get back with you when it finishes draining. Alright guys, and there goes draining. I had it up against the house there, made a mistake. We'll see what comes out. And also, forgot to mention, I opened up the hot water. That drains clogged, that'd be fun. I opened up the hot water and so we can get some more air, run a little more smoothly. Alright, so we got that tank drained, And now we're working on the second tank. I opened up that the relief valve here and the valve down there for the hose. Now we just wait. Now I know I said you needed some pliers. This bad boy is stuck on there pretty tight. So I tried it with the pop wrench, and I need a cheater bar. I'll be back if I get it off. If not, kind of puts at a stop here. And I had turned it a little bit, the water heater I mean, but now hopefully it spins right off after that. So now that it's loose here, I'm gonna wait for it. I'm gonna pop it off, slide this end in, and screw it in with these threads. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. That way you can see it. If not, hopefully it's fully drained. I mean, I tried, right? We'll see. That's what it looks like behind that cover. And a little bit of water coming out. As to be expected. Oh, you already see the sediment coming out. Let me switch hands here. Guys, 1 second. Sorry for my bad camera skills. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to set you down and pick back up where we left off. All right, guys, so I had to set you down because I needed 2 hands. So there we have. Now that's a plastic threaded portion. So I feel like if you over tighten that, that's gonna break. I think just seat it to where it sits and be done with it. And this portion comes out. Obviously the coil metal rope is in there, I guess, and drain snake, and then you just hook up your water hose to this. I'm gonna hook up my drill to this portion here, and then run the water. So hopefully while that spins, that breaks up all that sediment that's in there. All right, guys, so here we go. Let's turn on the water here. You see that there? Let's see what this does. See that sediment? See that sediment coming out of there? See all that gunk? Turn off my flashlight. See all that gunk coming out? And that's what's going down here. So that gunk is what's causing all that pops and everything else. So I'm going to keep going with this. Now here I'm careful not to put too much pressure downward because of the plastic threads there. So thankfully my drill is resting there. You see all that crap coming out. This crap's flying out now. So now this water is starting to come out a lot clearer than it was. It was looking pretty murky. So what I've been doing is I open it, let it fill a little bit, run the drill on it, wait for the stuff to come out, wait for it to stop, and then we'll open it again. Do it a few times, see what happens. So we'll do the same for this one as for this one. So right now we're filling back up. So now you see that water is a lot cleaner. You still see some gunk coming out, but not near as much. I think this is a win, guys. Now we just gotta do the same to that side. And there are the Crocs. Do the same to that side, and yeah. So I hope this helps some of y'all out. Yeah, that way you don't have to. Hey, so I hope this helps some of y'all out. I didn't know about this product until recently. Just bought it, just got it, and I hope it holds for a while. I really don't want to replace two 40-gallon water heaters in the attic. So I figured this is an easier job. And yeah, we'll see what time tells. Might be able to get a few more years out of this. If it does, it's well worth the $50, because getting a hot water heater into an attic is not something I'm looking forward to. At which point I'll probably just switch over to tankless, but that's still quite a bit of money. Anyway, yeah, like, follow, comment, hit that little like button down there at the bottom, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more random realtor, real estate / handyman type projects. Bye.